our January bark box. So if you want to get into this just like Bandit does, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and this little guy here is trying to get into his bark box. This is Bandit. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Well, we got to get into this bark box before he just tears it up in my hands. Huh, buddy? Let's get into it. All right. Now, this is a monthly pet treater box. And I did reach out to them because most of the treats that are in here, Bandit can't eat. He's on a low calcium oxalate diet. So they did tell me that they had already sent out the January box, but starting in February, we could get double toys instead of treats. So Tales from the Ice Age is the theme for January. And there are no treats in here, but 3 toys, so I don't know, but let's see what he's got. He has, okay, can I show them? Thawed Maud. She looks like a woolly mammoth, not that you'll ever get to see her. Can I just show them? Let me show them. Let me show them. Look at how cute that is. Alright, I wouldn't say this is double treats, but I don't know. And we have Slenither Sloth. And we have Slobber Tooth Tiger. Now all of their toys are crinkly and squishy, and they're all Bandit approved. Now, to add to that, they do have little fun things, little activities, and we have our little Zoomy crossing. Bandit doesn't get high zoomies for more than like 3 minutes a day. And it's just little, it's fun. It's always a great theme. I will say for 3 toys, I don't know that it's worth it, but I guess my renewal was like sometime last year and I missed it. So we'll see what next month's box brings. And I don't know, maybe I'll get the treats again. I do have other dogs, but I just was so backed up with so many treats. So I don't know what we'll do, but it's definitely, I don't think the price of this for 3 little toys, I don't know about that. But all the information's down below if you're interested. I do not have a referral code. I've reached out to them more than once. They don't get back to me about that particular kind of information. And I'm not even asking to be affiliated. I'm like, hey, can I get a referral code? Like, can my viewers get some special deal? But they always do have some special deal going on. So go check it out if you're interested. And if you have a little one, again, you usually do get 2 toys, 2 treats, and then a specialty treat. But Bandit just can't eat them. And we have so many treats backed up from previous months that I said, yeah, let's just not do the treats. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. That way you can hear Bandit in the background playing with his toys. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.